Hello. I don't know why I feel compelled to make this video, but I do. See all these tether tenders and all these gadgets and whatnot that goes on your tether. They're unnecessary. To the companies that are making them, props to y'all, because people are buying them like crazy when there's something that's literally free to fix every issue they have. What I'm talking about is this. So people have an issue once they put their tether on their tree. They just run it through their loop, run their ascender, conduct, whatever, and then attach it to the bridge on their saddle. Like so. That's not the issue. The issue is when you lean up. Sometimes, I've had it happen before I figured this out, or somebody told me how to fix that. But sometimes you'll get that little bit of slack, or like say you move over one way or the other, it kind of pushes and then it falls down. It's annoying. Trust me, I get it. So that's where the tether tenders and bungee strap and clips that go on here and whatnot to prevent it from falling, that's where those come into place. You don't have to do that. You don't have to buy anything to do that. It's called a simple girth hitch. So whenever you get on your platform or before your platform and you put your tether on your tree, so you have your loop, all you do is just take it and run it like this. Just like so. You just loop it back on itself. It's called a girth hitch. Take it, take the end like this, where it would go, loop it back to itself, pull it through. Then run that around the tree, and your sender and the tag line goes through that. Pull it tight, go over your knot, and cinch that dude down. That's not going nowhere. Hook it up to your bridge like so, and when you pull that down, your weight cinches that knot. It will literally not move. No slack will come from this piece of rope that is going through that notch, that hitch. It can't. It can't. Especially if you're sitting on it all day long and tightening it every bit, it will literally, like you're seeing, it's only moving down this far. And that's as far as it's going to go, because that's just a slack that I haven't made up. I can pull it tighter like that. It ain't going nowhere. Literally not going anywhere. Whenever you get done hunting, take this, give yourself a little slack, and you push it through and we're pulling this knot at the same time. Boom. Now, come here and do the same thing here. Push the knot, pull the slack. Guess I can unclip this first. Get back up here. Pull it all the way through until you get enough to get your ascender in and your tag line. And that's all you have to do. Mine literally goes in my pack, in my dump pouch, just like that, ready. So all I have to do is run it around a tree, throw it in there, and I'm in. That's literally it. Save yourself money, use what you got. And that's it. Peace.